How to use YouTube Analytics. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I will be trying to explain YouTube Analytics in under a minute. So first of all, head over to youtube.com, click on your profile picture down here and select YouTube Studio. When you go to your YouTube Studio, you will find your channel dashboard and you'll find the Analytics option right here. So here in the Analytics channel, here in the channel analytics, there's also the advanced mode. So click here and you will find all the activity on your channel for the past days. So the YouTube Analytics dashboard presents a snapshot of your channel's performance in various categories. Here are some key metrics to focus on: the views, watch time, subscribers, traffic sources, demographics, and top performing content. To leverage analytics for growth, you can identify engaging content, optimize thumbnails and titles, and analyze audience engagement and track click-through rates, which is the CTR. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.